Hey all, welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. If you're new here, I'm a registered nurse, soon to be family nurse practitioner who enjoys making content that provides evidence on remedies that have been proven to work. So stay tuned for another great video, and remember, happy skin is healthy skin.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey you guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. If you're new here, thanks, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'll wait. Today's video, we are going to talk about the benefits and the uses, and I'm going to give you guys a demonstration of aloe vera gel. So first and foremost, how are you guys doing? I mean, like, it's just so much going on, right? It's crazy, like, with everything, like, what is really going on in the world with this COVID-19 pandemic? You know, how are you guys holding up? Comment in the comment section below. You know, what are some of the things that you guys are doing to keep you busy? You guys doing okay though? Hang in there, okay? We're all in this together and you're not alone. Definitely find healthy ways to cope and don't feel like you're in this alone, because we are all in this together. And as a matter of fact, check out my video above, how to cope with COVID-19, because I do give some great tips on things you can do to help get you through. With aloe vera, as some of you may already know, it's really good. It's so much research that's been done. This plant has been around for quite a while, and it's been widely used in the beauty industry, in just various cosmetics, you know, face washes or facial applications and creams. You know, sometimes you'll see aloe vera juice in there or gel. Aloe vera, I've been using it for, I would say about maybe 6 months, kind of on and off. But now I've been using it consistently for about maybe 2 weeks, if not more. Yeah, like 2.5 weeks. Here's my little planty plant. I love my aloe vera. So first and foremost, before I get any further, you guys, if you're dealing with a chronic skin condition, it's always a good idea to check with your dermatologist or primary care provider before applying any products to your face. Talk to your doctor about the following potential benefits of aloe vera, and be sure to consult with your doctor before using it, you know, just to make sure there's no interactions. It is relatively safe, but always check with your doctor before trying any new product. Aloe vera, so like I said, it is used for many skin problems. So it is some of those skin issues. At least one of the things that I first heard about aloe vera was that it was very beneficial for sunburns. So that was like the first thing that I know. Like early on as a kid, I never really used it because I never dealt with sunburns like that. Actually, I'll take that back. So this is a digression real quick. The first time, y'all get this, and don't laugh, but y'all can laugh, I don't care, whatever. The first time I actually dealt with a sunburn, when I was in Jamaica. So I'm half Jamaican. My mom is full-blood Jamaican, born and raised. So we were out in Jamaica, you know, just visiting family and stuff. This was back in, I think, 2013. I mean, we went to the beach, you know, hard-hitted me, didn't put on any sun lotion, but then again, or any sunblock lotion, which is always recommended.
Always recommended. Put on your sunblock.
But I figured, hey, I don't need it. I'm all right. I got melanin. You know, melanin has been known to help prevent us from the skin damage and sunburns and all that. Since when, you know, black people to sunburn, right? That was kind of my mentality. Was I wrong? I was out there, like I said, in my little bathing suit, had my back exposed. Like, is there something on my back? Like, look, I can't see. It's just very itchy. He was like, Steph, your back is red and it looked like you got a rash. And I had a little mirror and I was kind of looking at it. I was like, oh my gosh, this looked like a sunburn. Like, no, I didn't get sunburned. So, lesson learned. Always wear your sunblock, whether you're black, white, orange, yellow, green, whatever, purple. Wear your sunblock lotion. It's very good and it protects against skin cancer. And black people, we are at risk as well, okay? It's great for sunburns, regular burns, small abrasions, dry skin, eczema, and acne. So some of the benefits of aloe vera, as far as why it's good for these certain conditions, is that it's got anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and pain relief effects. However, some people may be a little sensitive to aloe vera. It can cause itching and burning, so that's why it's always best, like I said before, always check with your doctor, your primary care provider, your dermatologist before you try aloe vera. Okay, I love this thing. Aloe vera, it's been so good to me. But I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys real quick how I use aloe vera. So basically what you would do is you would cut off a piece of the leaf, piece as you can see it, like so. And then I've got my piece here. So I'm just cutting it right through the middle here, as you can see. Be very careful when you're doing this though. You don't wanna run the risk of cutting yourself. So please, always, 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 kids should not be doing this. An adult should be doing this, and be very careful when you're cutting it through. So as you can see here, I've just kind of cut it right through the middle there. All right, so now that I've washed my face, just gonna pat dry the skin because we want to apply this aloe vera on dried skin. So now, got my 2 little aloe vera halves that I cut. See that gel? See all that jelly goodness? Oh my gosh, I rub it. You see that gel? You see that gel coming in? Like, it's just so great. So I just rub it on my skin. Be careful not to get the stuff in your eyes or your nose or your mouth, y'all. So be very careful, especially focus it in on those problem areas like the T-zones, your forehead, the middle of your forehead there. So focus on those areas, especially the areas that you're prone to breaking out at, which could be like the nose, forehead, chin. So I just massage it in there. What I like to do is, because like once I've rubbed in the gel, so I'll like just take my finger and just try scrape it a little bit to get more of that gel coming through. So see how I just did that? There you go. And now I'm just gonna rub it on my forehead. Again, make sure your hair is tied out the way. So I'm extra. I'm gonna get every bit too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there and under my chin and just rub it on in there. And there you have it. So this stuff will dry, just let it air dry. It takes probably about 5 minutes or so. If you want to like really speed up the process, you could always go in front of a fan. There you have it, you guys. I'm telling you, this stuff works wonders. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If you tried aloe vera before, or if this is your first time trying it, please comment in the comment section below. Let me know your results, what you think of. I'm curious to know because it works differently for everybody. So let me know what you guys think, okay? All right, let's move on along.
And it's just been really great. So first and foremost, just to kind of get to know a little bit more about my skin, I am acne prone. When I was in high school, oh my gosh, I used to get that cystic acne. Cystic acne is like those really big, like cyst looking painful bumps. They don't necessarily have pus in them, but they're very noticeable, and when they go down, they can leave blemishes on your skin and dark spots and all that craziness. So I had that. So even to this day, thankfully, my skin is not that bad, as it was. It's not as sensitive, but even to this day, I'm still prone to breakouts. Like if I'm using stuff that's non-comedogenic, so non-comedogenic meaning it doesn't clog your pores. So if you're using like moisturizers or facial washes or what have you, if it doesn't state it's non-comedogenic, it can clog your pores. And people like me, who is at risk for breakouts and have sensitive skin in that sense, that's not going to be good for me because it's going to clog my pores and it's going to be like a chain reaction and like a snowball effect. It's just going to lead, one thing's going to lead to the other. Next thing you know, I'm going to have the big old ugly pimple on my face, like looking like what the heck. So yes, like I was saying, my skin has been prone to acne even now to this day, even though I don't get it as severe as I did back in high school. And then also I have eczema, but I don't have eczema on my face. Some people get it really bad on their face where they'll have like dry skin patches. Eczema is a chronic condition of the skin which can lead to patches and irritation and flare-ups, as you want to call it. And during those periods of flare-ups, the skin can become very rough, dark, itchy, irritable, and just crazy. Just very uncomfortable, and certain things can trigger it, like sweat or dry skin. So that's why it's important to keep your face or your skin moisturized. So some people can have that eczema on their skin. Luckily, I don't get it on my skin, or on my face rather. I get it more so like on my arms, my hands. And another thing too, I forgot to mention, my skin is oily. So you probably see a little glisten here, a little shine. Yeah, you see that little shine there? That's the oil, okay? Oil is good. It's good for keeping your skin, nourished and moisturized, and it can actually, studies have shown, lead to a more youthful looking appearance because your skin, it's there to keep your skin moisturized. Moisturized skin is healthy skin. It's going to retain that moisture better. However,
for somebody like me who's acne prone,
it's not always the best thing. But anyways, aloe vera is good for reducing some of that oil. It helps to keep the skin moisturized. It can help calm that acne down. It's also something that I didn't mention. It also helps even the skin tone. It kind of helps to lighten the skin and give you more of a clear complexion there. So I have noticed these benefits for myself as far as my skin is more moisturized in between washes, even though I naturally have oily skin, but still, like, I feel like immediately after I'm washing my skin or washing my face, like I don't feel that tightness or dryness that I normally would. So my skin is more moisturized in between washes. it's less prone to flare-ups, you know, acne flare-ups, and I feel like my complexion is more even. My skin tone is more even.
Stay tuned for my next video on Saturday. I will be showing how I make my own shea butter cream. I plan to do my video uploads every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell for notifications for future videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's